Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss a question of June 2020 CodeChef Long Challenge. This question is Tom and Jerry strengths and how Jerry wants to win the competition when like comparing with the Tom strength. So the question, as you can read the question on CodeChef. Um, so the question here is Tom and Jerry are playing a game. So Tom can win this game only when Jerry has an even number. And if both Tom and Jerry has an even number, their number gets divided by 2 until and unless Jerry wins. So you have to just guess what number you can assign to Jerry. What can be possible numbers you can assign to Jerry so that Jerry always wins. So this question is pretty simple, but requires some mathematical knowledge, a bit, maybe a bit of basics. So let's discuss the one of the solutions with the Tom and Jerry. So say Tom has a say if Tom gives a number 5, so Jerry can win with how many possible ways. So Jerry just has to be even. So Jerry can win if Jerry poses the number 2. Jerry can win. Jerry can win if Jerry can pose number 4. So Jerry can win. There are two ways where Jerry can win. So a 5-0 or 5-2 or 5-4. A 5-2 or a 5-4. Okay, so these are the two ways in which Jerry can win this competition. uh, Say if Jerry Tom has strength 7, so Jerry can win with how many ways? So Jerry can take 2, Jerry can take 4, Jerry can take 6, and that's all. So clearly you can see um the in odd, whenever Tom's strength are odd, so Jerry strength are all the even numbers, like uh, which are below that number. So just in case of odd, you can say uh, the answer would be always, say, if n is the odd number, it will be just n minus 1 by 2. Okay, or you can just say n by 2 and take it into integer. So that will also give you the number of in the odd, whenever this Tom is an at an odd place. For even, it gets a bit tricky. So for even, just take a pen and paper and just um, try to find out all the possible outcome. So say if Tom has strength 2, Jerry can uh, have only there is no way Jerry, there is no possible way Jerry could win. When Tom has 4, so Jerry cannot has had 2 or 4, because at last it will tie. So there are no ways Jerry can win. So say if if Tom has 6, so Jerry can have one possible solution for it, which is 4. So as dividing 6 and 4, if I just do a dry run, so when you divide 6, say, so when you divide 4 by 2 and say 6 by 2, so it will give you number like 2 and 3. So clearly you can see Jerry is winning here, as Jerry strength is 4. So here, if you just keep on doing it, so you would see. So as you can see, all of the numbers here have a factor, 2 factor. So the number of factors of 2 determines the multiplier. So say in case of say 14, say 14, 14, it can be represented as 7 into 2, right? So how many factors of 2 14 had? 14 had only one factor of 2. So any number which would have say 2 factor of 2 which is below 14 can win, right? So if any number has say, so any number which will have say this power can win. So 14 has only one factor, so any number with two factor which is equals to 4 can win. So similarly, let me find in another example. So say in case of 12, so you have 2 into 2 into 3, right? So in case of 12, you have two factors and one 3. So to let Jerry win, always Jerry needs to have one more factor than 2. So Jerry needs to have any number below 12 which has say 2 power 3, so which have 8 as a factor in it wins, right? So how would you find out all those numbers? So the first problem was we needed to find out the number of factors. We did find out. So for 12 it was say 4, for um, 14 is was two, it was 2 one factor, and any number which has more than they say one factor of 2 will obviously let Jerry to win. So let's find out how you can find out those numbers. So say for 12, if you have if you want to find out all the numbers with more than 2 factors, so you just go through the you just go to a table of 8. So say a table of 8, so you just go till say 8 in 1, 8, 8 2s is 16. So you just have to go through table of 8 and you will find out there is, so here is all the numbers. So you just have to find out the numbers which are lesser than that number. So say for 12, I need to find out how many numbers are lesser than that number and have the factor 8. So there is only one, which is 18. So how would I find it? Say in a mathematical way, it will be say 12 divided by 8. So it's that simple. So I will just divide it by 12 and I will know how many say numbers were lesser than this. Okay, so say for 7, say for 14, so I had 4, so I will just do 14 divided by 4 and it will give me say 3. Okay, so that is the answer which you see here. So just pause this video, try to do this problem on your own. You know how to solve the problem, you just try to do it, and at last then see the solution. Thanks for watching this video.